All right, CNT 1010, welcome to week 7. So last week you took a look at brick and block and mortar and those types of things. This week we're going to look at chapters 15, 16, and 17. In chapter 15 we're going to cover ferrous metals, steel, iron, those types of things, their uses and what makes them up, what the content is. In chapter 16, then you're going to move on to non-ferrous metal, things like nickel, aluminum, copper, the copper piping that you see, those types of things. So big distinction between those two, between ferrous and non-ferrous metals, is that ferrous metals rust. Non-ferrous metals do not. Doesn't mean they don't decay, but typically they don't rust in the same fashion that steel or iron will rust. And then in chapter 17 you're going to take a look at actual steel construction, steel frame construction. So when you look around you're going to see some examples of this, and one prime example is located up on 301 in Waldorf, right at the intersection of 301 and St. Patrick's Drive. Across from the Chick-fil-A on that corner there, there's a new medical center going up. So if you get a chance, ride by there and take a look. What you're going to see is initially they started with the elevator shafts, and they used concrete block construction to do that. And then now they're in the phase where they're putting up the steel frame construction, and then they'll build the facade around that, the actual walls. So you get an opportunity to take a look at that and see how the skeleton, if you will, of a building goes up using steel frame construction. So I look forward to seeing your work this week as we move through this topic. And don't forget, you've got 3 chapters to look at, so you'll have questions in your homework that you'll need to do for this week that are associated with each of those chapters. And again, I look forward to it, and I hope each of you has a great week. Thank you.